Okay. Whenever you're ready. Yep, that's right. One more to the right. All right. Whenever you're ready, we're gonna pull into traffic. Foot on the brake. That's correct. Tilt to the right. Good. All right. One. You know what to do. One full turn out to the left. One full turn out to the left. Is half of it and full turn. Right there. Is traffic clear on the left shoulder?
Yes.
Foot of the brake. Let the car take you through. Let the car take you through. We're gonna adjust into traffic. Okay. Begin to adjust yourself. Beautiful. All right. From there we go and straight across. Got it? Keep going from there. Keep driving. Thank you. Keep it going. So far so good. You're taking off very good. We're going straight across, okay? Straight across. Keep it going a little bit faster. Pick up a little bit accelerator if you can. Good. Because your car is driving a little bit too slow, okay? But you're doing good. We're making a right turn at this traffic light, and that's Decatur Street. Right? So, okay. Good. So far, so good. Have you ever driven this direction?
No.
No, okay, that's good. Beautiful. All right, roll it back. That's Decatur should open here, which is good. Keep going. What you could have done here when you're making your turn, keep driving, you're looking good. May I be able to talk to you while you're driving or no?
You can.
Okay, good. Go a little bit more to the left, stay in the middle. You two off to your right. One lane straight, we keep in the middle, okay? Two lane straight, so that always keep the right side of the road, okay? Now, when you made that right turn, keep going. When you made that right turn, you want to keep driving. We're too slow. Go big back to the left. You're drifting to your right. Yes. When you made that right turn, let me help you here. We should be all the way over here. See a difference? And the middle of the street.
Okay.
Because if you're too off to your right, what they're gonna start coming up to your left, taking you over.
Yes.
If you're too off to the left, they will be taking you over to your right. You know what I mean? When you made that right turn, you signal, which is perfect. Congratulations. You also need to check the mirror and shoulder to the direction that you're going. You cover the mirror and the shoulder for blind spot. Blind spot is one of the criteria the DMV keep going. Blind spot is one of the criteria the DMV examiner will fail you the test in a heartbeat. Okay, reason why? Keep driving, you're too slow. Pick it up. Pick it up. We can do better. Pick it up, a little bit too slow. Good. Blind spot is one of the area that if you do not check enough, the DMV will fail you, because reason why, if you're not checking, you may be able to hit people because you're not seeing them on your blind spot, and you never know how that may come out to be, okay? Good. Moving forward upward on our lessons, whenever you're signaling, I want you to check the mirror and shoulder, then take action, okay?
Okay.
And you can do it, you got the skills. Yeah, what I noticed that you keep drifting off, which is another problem, okay? If you keep drifting off, that's unable to keep the car straight, then that's another problem. Good. But that can be taken care of. As a matter of fact, for a first time lesson ever, I'm impressed. You know, it's not crazy where I'm living entirely, you know, it's not that. Good. What's the speed limit here in New York City?
25.
Thank you very much. Okay, so you started adjusting now. That's good. Started keeping in the middle. That's correct. Good. best way, folks, to keep the car straight is by looking at the horizon and center yourself. I guess that's what you're doing now. That's why I'm keeping it together. That's good. Because if you look anywhere near here, you're going to bring the car the same direction you've been looking. You're forward planning all your moves. Good. For the purpose of the wood test, when we stop, we like to see the tire of the car in front of you on the ground for the purpose of the wood test. Otherwise, you follow too closely, all right? Okay. Throughout the lesson, I'm going to keep talking, give you instruction. If it's too much, let me know. Because many people are not good with instruction and multitasking, if you will. You let me know, you know what I mean? Okay. But because the way we can cover them is as we go into them. Sometimes if we let the lesson entirely finish, we forget things that happen. And while you're in this moment, we can correct it the next time. You know what I mean?
Yes.
Good. Beautiful. Keep it going. Chakras, we are to the right and compare to the left?
Yes.
Thank you so much. Good. As we're driving all this forward turning the moves, you see humans walking on the street. There we go. We're preparing ourselves. Okay. I guess the curves is not enough for that humans. Keep going and adjusting. That's correct. There you go. Keep it going. Yes. That's right. That's what I'm talking about. Forward planning all the moves. A little bit more to your left. Thank you. To bring it in the middle. That is good. Good. So far so good, right? You only schedule Sundays?
As of now, yes.
As of now, okay. Keep going. Back in the street. Now, for the purpose of the wood test, whatever we do contrary from going straight, you must signal all of your attention. What do I mean by that? We were going on the right side because the car was parked to your left side, right? For the wood test, you should have signaled to your right. You do mirror right, shoulder right, and go over to the right. Just for the wood test, you and I know that there is nothing on your right side. But when the DMV examiner sit right in front of you, looking at those things, they're looking into those things. You know what I mean? Okay. Yes, you should have signal going back and coming back. We do the same thing again. Signal left, mirror left, shoulder left, come back to the left. Why are we doing it? Why are we doing the same thing coming back? Keep going. When it's clear, yeah. It's a possibility after we passing the car to your left, when we're moving back on, the car begin to take off. So the only way to acknowledge that, to recognize that, is by checking to see if it's still stable or if it's moving. Okay? Good. Okay, it's a single stop. Can the people on the left see you? On the left side, can they see you? You stop too soon, pull up more. You see, they're gonna keep going thinking that, you see what I'm saying? They think we just arriving anywhere we're chilling. You see what I'm saying? Keep going, we're gonna talk later about this. Let's keep going. Now, you're looking good, keep pushing straight. Now, keep going, you're looking good. It's an all-the-way stop sign, keep going. All-the-way stop sign, how do we approach an all-the-way stop sign? We make a single stop where you're visible. In other words, where everybody can see everybody. You see how we were back there? We've been there, and the car just pulled up. Since they can see us, they think that there's no car there, and they continue to go, right? When you make those stop, you have to make sure you're visible. There's another one coming up, all the way stop sign. We're gonna do it the same way if you can. Yeah. Thank you so much. You see the difference? Okay, let's go now. Let's go. You're good. Uber was trying to take it on us, but they give us the right of way, though. You see what I'm saying?
Yes.
Good. Because, yeah, we're going straight across. Be back. Beautiful. Yeah. We're going straight across, okay? What I mean by that, we're going straight over there when it's clear. We're not signaling because if we signal left, they're going to think we're going down to the left. If we signal right, they're going to think we're going out to the right. So if it's the wood, straight that coming on a loop. We just follow the loop. But don't be surprised, some people here see the signal left. That's not the right instruction as they're going over, right?
Okay.
Good. Ready? Keep driving, nice and smooth, bigger than the loop. Left, left, left. Okay, we're going straight across from there. There you go, straight across. Keep it pushing. Good, 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 and stay in the middle. Keep to the middle. That's correct. Too close to the left, and the left. I mean, too close to the right, go to the left a little bit. A bit more to the left. Beautiful, we're going in the middle from here. All right. Drifting is one of the problem student facing a lot, you know what I mean? Keeping the car straight, so you're not alone. Now I'm gonna show you right here. Look as we come to the stop here, right? Now let's look up yourself to your right side. Let's look up your left side. You see the gap?
Yeah.
Okay? It shouldn't be that way. It shouldn't be equal distance on both sides. Now don't be surprised now we're here. The car is trying to squeeze on the left since we're leaving that gap open, you know what I mean? Okay. At the wood test, unable to keep straight, keep drifting, they will fail you the test. If we cannot keep the car straight while you're driving, it's a problem.
Okay.
All right, good. But you can do better. Just go when you're ready, straight across. You here. Don't, beautiful. Look ahead. Do not look nor to the left nor to the right. You look ahead as you go into you center yourself. If you look to the right, guess where you're gonna take it? To the right, where you're looking. There we go. You see, when you look ahead, you do better. All right. Beautiful. Good. Keep it going. Looking good. This Decatur Street, Brooklyn, New York is one of the areas that we cover here in Pierre driving school. If you guys have any concern, put in the comment below. We cover those areas as well. Keep in the middle. That is correct. Until then, folks, keep practicing this venue with Pierre driving school. Take care now. Doing good. We're going to be to the left because the guy behind us is impatient, ready for look for one opportunity. Gone. That's all right. Good. Keep going. Yep. All right, good. All right, folks, take care now. Bye-bye.